Now, when my brother was 13, just as I was going into high school, they said, he's got to have a bar mitzvah. He's a boy. He's got to have a bar mitzvah. So they sent him to the rabbi to learn or whatever, which he never did. And I was jealous. I want to learn too. Why can't I learn? Even then, I think that I was a feminist my whole life. Anyway, why can't I learn? My mother said, we'll do it, we'll do it. And they hired the rebetsn to come and teach me. And the rebetsn came to my house one week, and she started with ba, ba, boo, be. Okay, good, we're learning. Comes the next week, nachamul, ba, oo, be. And the third week, when we went through the same thing, I told my mother, not working.